In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Java Virtual Machine launcher error. So it's really easy to do, so let's get straight into it. First, go and open up your Start menu. You can then search for the word environment and click on Edit Environment Variables for your account. You'll then need to click on this New button. And for the variable name, go and type out the following: underscore, the word Java, all in capitals, underscore options, all in capitals. And for the value, type in hyphen, capital X, lowercase mx, 512, capital M, and then go and press OK and click on OK once again. You'll then need to right click on your Windows icon and click on Terminal Admin. Now from this window, type in ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Now type in ipconfig /renew and then press enter. Now finally type in gp update and then press enter, and once you've done this you'll need to go and restart your computer, and that will have solved the Java Virtual Machine error.